Hello children, welcome to grade 4 English. Today our topic practice exercise. Children, first we are going to revise noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Very good. Okay, it tells about person, place, things, animal. Okay, so nouns refers person, place, animal, things. Okay, so we are going to do identify nouns. Identify nouns. Okay, so look at this. John is a teacher. John is a teacher. Here the noun John and then teacher. John is a noun and then teacher is a noun. Here John. John mentioned particular person. John mentioned particular person, so it's a proper noun. Okay, then teacher. Teacher refers to common. Okay, common noun. The next sentence, Mumbai is a largest city. Mumbai is a largest city. Here Mumbai mention particular city name. So Mumbai is a proper noun. And then city. City is a common noun. City is a common noun. Okay. The third sentence, Rakshan plays tennis. Rakshan. It's a particular person name. So it's a proper noun. Tennis also particular game name. So it's a proper noun. Okay, Rakshan and then tennis both are proper noun. Okay, next. He is a good boy. Boy. Boy is a common noun. We know. Boy is a common noun. The last one, Kavi went to Chennai. Kavi went to Chennai. So here the name, person name. Kavi is a proper noun. Chennai. Chennai particular city name, so it's a proper noun. Okay. Children, we are going to learn about pronoun. What is pronoun, children? What is pronoun? Pronoun we use instead of noun. Okay, pronoun we use instead of noun. Now we are going to use other form also. Okay, other form of pronouns also. Okay, let's do. Children, let's see. Das is Kavin. I know Das very well and I know Das father too. He drives Das to school daily. Okay, I give here 4 options. Okay, shall we use these pronouns and then other forms? Okay, let's see. Das is Kavin. Kavin is a boy name. So, he is Kavin. He is Kavin. I know him or his. I know him very well. I know him. H-I-M. I know him very well. And I know that's his father. That's father. I know his father. I know his father. I know his father too. He drives himself. He drives himself to school daily. Himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. Himself. Okay. Children, what is adjective? Adjective tells more detail about noun. Okay. So, let's see this exercise. We are going to underline the nouns. Okay, look at the first sentence. I am tired and hungry. I am tired and hungry. Here, the word tired and hungry tells more detail about I. Okay, so I and hungry is an adjective. I and hungry is an adjective. Okay, the next sentence. There are 2 pens. How many pens? 2 pens. Here, 2 is an adjective. 2 is an adjective. Okay. Then the third sentence, a blind man is walking in the road. The blind man is walking in the road. A blind man is walking in the road. Here the word blind tells more detail about this man. Okay, so blind is an adjective. For the fourth sentence, the mango is ripe. The mango is ripe. Here the word ripe tells about mango. So ripe is an adjective. Ripe is an adjective. Okay. Then the next one, I bought a white dog. I bought a white dog. How was the dog? White. So white is an adjective. Okay. Children, next we are going to revise adverb. Okay, what is adverb? Adverb tells more detail about verb. Adverbs tells more detail about verb. Okay, let's see the first sentence. She walked beautifully. Okay, we are going to identify adverb. She walked beautifully. How did she walk? Beautifully. The word beautifully tells more detail about the verb walked. Okay, so the adverb is beautifully. Okay, next sentence, the boy met me yesterday. The boy met me yesterday. When did he meet you? Yesterday. So the word yesterday is an adverb. Okay, the next sentence, Ritik ran quickly. Ritik ran quickly. So, how did he run quickly? So, Ritik ran quickly. Here, the adverb is quickly because the adverb tells more detail about this verb ran. Okay. How did he run? Quickly. So, quickly is an adverb. Okay, in the next sentence, she is sitting outside. She is sitting outside. So, where is he sitting? Outside. So, outside is an adverb. Okay, he cleaned the glass carefully. Here, adverb is carefully. Most of the adverbs end with ly. Most of the adverbs end with ly. Okay. Thank you, children. We will continue in the next section.